Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Bluetooth car adapter in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 7. Clydec Car Charger Adapter. This Clydec charger adapter doesn't have many notable flaws to be in the last position. The tough competition is the reason behind it. However, finalizing it wouldn't be an out-of-the-box or a risky move at all. If you're looking to share more devices at a time, the Clydec Car Adapter will be the right pick for you. This Bluetooth adapter comes with 3 USB ports to take care of everyone's needs. Not only the ports are more, but the efficiency is too. For the complaint-free hands-free calling experience, the adapter here uses CVC noise reduction. You'll observe, the sound quality has no distortion or any type of noise. The same goes with its built-in microphone as well. Another feature that makes Clydec stand apart from other competitors is its smart features. The adapter allows you to navigate through Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant to make your car riding more focused and word-free. Looking at the smart support of the Clydec adapter towards music will blow everyone's mind. It even comes with a separate 21-button remote for powerful control over your music player. Thus, everyone in the car can easily access it with just a few clicks. At the same time, there are 4 different music modes to get the most out of a song. Number 6. Anope FM Transmitter Bluetooth Car Adapter. This one comes with extra styles in it. The Anope Bluetooth adapter would be a good pick if you're looking to get all the features. At the same time, you'll be able to save few dollars as well. The intriguing support of this Bluetooth adapter towards music is great news for audiophiles. You can even play the high-quality music of 16K without any issues. At the same time, the DSP technology ensures crystal clear and crisp sound all the time. Coming to the styles factor of this adapter. The Anope Bluetooth adapter is equipped with 7 LED backlights. It doesn't only look great but will also help you to use the adapter easily on night drives. Here's something more interesting about the LEDs here. There's a built-in LED voltmeter that blinks according to the condition of your battery. Thus, this time you'll not be able to ignore the health of your vehicle's battery. The 2 USB charging ports are also up to the mark. Its quick charge technology will charge your smartphones with 18 watts of power supply. You'll notice the smartphones are getting fully charged in under an hour. Number 5. Comsun Bluetooth 5.0 Receiver. The Comsun Bluetooth adapter is a bit different from the rest of the others. It comes with an internal battery and requires charging to work. However, this must not be a reason to ignore this worthy pick. It provides useful feats and has a simple aesthetic look as well. Starting with the feature that makes Comsun Bluetooth adapter stands apart from its competitor, its powerful pairing. The adapter allows you to pair 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. Thus, from now, you'll not have to worry about missing any calls because of loud music. Another smart adaptation that this device comes with is the AUX adapter. With this, the scope of connecting different devices becomes significantly high. Now, you can easily connect non-Bluetooth devices for the utmost listening experience. Coming to the battery it comes with. The dependence of this Bluetooth adapter on a battery doesn't hold it back from anywhere. Its intriguing battery will last over 16 hours of continuous usage before getting completely drained. At the same time, the charging time is reduced to around 2.5 hours only. You can easily plug your Type-C charger into doing so. The Comsun Bluetooth adapter is equipped with the latest CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and DSP technologies. These advanced techs will make sure you get zero background or distortion noise during a call. Number 4. Anker ROAV Smart Charge F0 Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The Anker ROAV Bluetooth adapter is well known for its seamless transmission. Despite being the older 4.2 Bluetooth version, you'll experience zero delays while listening to songs. And the same goes with the powerful FM connections that quickly catches signals even in bad weather conditions. Its charging capacity is also up to the mark. Here the charging feat that should grab your attention is the adapter's boost charge. The mobile devices are charged via voltage boost for reducing the charging time. An iPhone that takes 180 minutes for complete charge will reduce its time to 165 minutes. Here too, the calling experience you'll have would be top-notch. It'll be similar to talking directly from your smartphone. The seamless Bluetooth connection will make sure to prevent all the distortion you observe normally with cheap adapters. At the same time, its microphone reduces the background noises for a crystal-clear listening experience to the receiver. Still, worrying about the quality of the Anker ROAV? The company provides you with 12 long months warranty period. Thus, you can completely rely on the product. Besides the top-notch performance of this Bluetooth adapter, there is a downside to it. The Anker ROAV is not compatible with some of the vehicles out there. Look at the product description to have detailed knowledge about it. Number 3. Lihon Bluetooth receiver. The Lihon manufacturer has gained a big name over these years. And the reason behind this is their reliable products. You can expect the same thing with its Bluetooth car adapter. Starting with the USB charging port of the Lihon Bluetooth adapter. Expecting a fast charge technology with the recent Type-C port would be too much here. However, the adapter provides you with a 3.1A and 1A port for USB reading. There are no flaws in the compatibility factor. Listening to your favorite sound by plugging the smartphone will create no issues. Even if you're having the most recent iOS or Android smartphone. The main button at the center is labeled with a call receiving tag. However, you can also use other calling features with the same button, such as redialing, call aborting, etc. One of the interesting features that the Lihon Bluetooth adapter displays are the voltage reading of your vehicle's battery. By plugging the adapter in the car outlet, it displays the 3-second voltage of the car's battery. Thus, you always have track of the health of your car's battery. Some of the common devices you can use for listening to music are Bluetooth, USB disc, TF card MP3, and even WMA player. The adapter is meant to actively take care of your listening needs, regardless of the device you're having with you. Moreover, it will continue to play the song from the moment the power was turned off. Here comes the best part of the Lihon adapter: it provides you with 1 complete year of warranty. Thus, no more worries about your buying decision with Lihon. Number 2. Nulaxi Wireless In-Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter Radio Adapter. Nulaxi Bluetooth adapter will be the favorite option for those who love to have touchy things. It comes with a decent display screen and is loaded with many adorable feats. Let's look at the details of this aesthetic car adapter. The one thing that makes this adapter unique is its comparatively bigger L screen. This Nulaxi adapter comes with 1.44 inches of an LCD to provide you with the utmost insights. On the screen, you can know the current status of various functions. Some of these features include FM channel, MP3 file info, and even car battery voltage also. This catchy blue screen is backed by a flexible gooseneck for better adjustments. With this, you can easily adjust the adapter's screen at the most desired viewing angle. Thus, it will tend to be more helpful for the person sitting next to the driver. Its hand-free calling method will help you to stay focused on the road. The microphone quality here is top-notch and features noise cancellation as well. The receiver at the other end will not be able to distinguish whether the device is hands-free or not. Not only for call purposes, but this adapter allows you to use the microphone in several different ways as well. For more reliability during car rides, you can easily access the voice assistant. With the Nulaxi adapter, using Alexa and Google Voice Assistant becomes hassle-free. Its superior compatibility with devices adds more points to the buying factor. Whether it's an MP3 player or a smartphone of Android or iOS devices, there's nothing to worry about. You'll always get obstacle-free music. Looking for different looks? The Nulaxi Bluetooth adapter is available in 6 different colors. Now, you can pick the most suitable option according to your vehicle's look. Number 1. Imden Bluetooth 5.0 FM Transmitter. Imden Bluetooth car adapter would be a perfect pick for simple yet effective car charging and related purposes. The adapter has a simple key-looking design that easily gets connected with your card with just a push. The intriguing feature that the adapter provides you with is 2 USB ports for charging purposes. Out of these, one supports Type-C and the other one is for your regular Type-B devices. Being able to charge the modern Type-C devices with a quick charge will not make you regret your irregular charging habits. Its Bluetooth integration allows you to pick the call hand-free. There's no need to worry about the call quality here. This adapter is equipped with a top-notch microphone that works with noise suppression tech to provide your crystal clear voice to the receiver. On top of that, you can redial, dial, or abort the call with the help of a button. Want more out of it? You can also listen to limitless music by inserting a USB flash into it. The adapter supports most of the MP3 devices and other Android and iOS devices as well. At last, the utmost protection ensures that the adapter is completely okay to go with. It effectively takes care of some of the common issues. The list includes built-in overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, intelligent temperature control, short circuit protection.